Hi, let's have fun with colorful number balls. Red ball with number 1. Red-orange ball with number 2. Yellow-orange ball with number 3. Yellow ball with number 4. Pea-green ball with number 5. Yellow-green ball with number 6. Green ball with number 7. Green cyan ball with number 8. Cyan blue ball with number 9. Cyan ball with number 10. Blue ball with number 11. Blue violet ball with number 12. Violet ball with number 13. Violet magenta ball with number 14. Magenta ball with number 15. Magenta red ball with number 16. Dark red ball with number 17. Dark red orange ball with number 18. Dark yellow orange ball with number 19. Dark yellow ball with number 20. Let's find out where are those balls now, and keep watching what happens next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It turns out that the colorful number balls fell in the toy, and there were 20 of them. Please, subscribe this channel.